Today we're camping and cooking on the famous Grays River Road near Alpine, Wyoming. Let's go. Man, look at that view of the river. We're right next to our cargo trailer. And what I want to know right now is what we're having for dinner. So what is it, Cupcake? What you cooking?
Making an orange chicken with jasmine rice. It's gonna have chicken in it, red bell peppers, an orange glazed sauce, and then at the end I'm gonna put some peanuts in it, and then I'll top it off with a little green onion. So it's good. Okay, so right now I have the bell peppers in the corner. They're almost cooked. The chicken is just about cooked. I'm fixing to put this orange marinade on top of it. Then I'm gonna put my rice right here. Okay, now I'm gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna get this rice mixed over here with this chicken. Get that mixed in. We're gonna get these bell peppers mixed in. Ooh.
All right, so now I'm gonna be able to help Cupcake out with this meal. So here we go. Okay, baby. Here's peanuts.
You helping me?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Just sprinkle a little bit of the peanuts. However many you like. That's probably enough. And then I'm gonna mix that real good. Watch this. Wow. Baby, don't that look good? Woo. You got to remember, when you're camping, you got to keep things simple. This was an easy, quick meal. It only had 6 ingredients to it, and you could always double or triple this depending on how many people that you have at your campsite and feed a crowd. So what do you think about the meal?
Well, the chipmunks are starting to gather, so the word has gotten out. But it rained a little bit today while we were out, so we don't have a place to sit. But who needs to sit with this kind of food and those kind of views? Hey, Mr. Chipmunk.
There he is. He's begging for food. Okay, so tomorrow we have a big hike planned for early in the morning. So to help me prep, I guess, so to speak, so I don't have to get up and cook a big breakfast, I am cooking a bacon egg sandwich tonight, and I'll wrap it in foil, and it's cold enough out here that it's going to stay. I'll put it right on top of the ice chest, and then that way it saves me a little bit of time in the morning. So. Let me break the bacon. I'm gonna put bacon on each one. Then this egg is cornbread because he likes his more scrambled with just a little green onion. Mine is more fried with some bell pepper and green onion. Oh, look at this. All I gotta do is top it once this bottom gets done, and it's gonna be ready to go. Ready, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take them They're hot, and I've turned this off already. But look at that. I'm gonna pick it up. I will wrap it in this ball, and we'll have breakfast ready for in the morning already.
All right, so if you liked the video, don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment below, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Thanks for watching.